Hi there, students. Streamline. Streamline can be both a verb to streamline and an adjective, streamline. Okay, if something is streamlined, the literal meaning is it can move very efficiently or very effectively through a liquid or a gas. So, for example, a racing car. The shape is thought about a lot, and the racing car is made as streamlined as possible. It means it's very smooth and that the air flows past it, creating the minimum of turbulence, which means it can go faster or it can have greater fuel efficiency. So if you streamline a car, it increases the fuel efficiency. If you look at fish, their bodies are streamlined so that they can move through the water with the minimum of resistance. Yeah, so to streamline, to design something or to have a form that has very low wind resistance or against the water. Yeah, this is talking about aerodynamics, something that's sleek. And then we use this word to streamline metaphorically to talk about an organization or a system. Yeah, or a business or an operation or a process. Yeah, to streamline a process is to make it more efficient. Yeah, by removing or modifying unnecessary things or things that create resistance. Yeah, so yes, the process for application to universities needs to be streamlined. It needs to be made more efficient. Yeah, bureaucracy sometimes can make it very difficult to streamline a business. Yeah, if you streamline an industrial process, you make it easier to do. You remove unnecessary things. You reorganize or modernize it so that it's more efficient, or it uses less resources, or it goes faster, or all of those together. Yeah, so if something is streamlined, an adjective, it's more efficient. A streamlined organization as well. So streamlined and streamline, both adjectives. It's something that's efficient, that works well. Yeah, something that works to its best possible ability. Yeah, or something that works better than it did. Yeah, this is it's to streamline effectively, or something that is streamlined, is trying to find the least turbulence possible in a system. Yeah, so to make a system easier, to design something so that it works better. Yeah, to streamline an industry, to streamline a bureaucracy, to streamline the way you do something. Yeah, is to improve it, to make it go faster. Okay, and then as to origin, well, this comes from stream and line. Yeah, so a stream is a flow of water, which comes from Proto-Germanic straumas, a stream, Proto-Indo-European stromos, a river, stru, to flow. And then the line, well, I think about the lines in a wind tunnel or something like that. The lines of flow are very effective. So streamline, formality. I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you can use Streamline absolutely anywhere. So enough. if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Streamlined.